Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect two devices using your coax cable that you already have installed in your house. For this example, I have two switches connected to the two MoCa devices, and the MoCa devices are connected to the coax cable. Something that you need to know is that the MoCa devices have three ports. Two are coax and one is a Cat5 cable connector. And the two coax, we have the coax SIM, which is the network that you want to connect, and the other is the TV out, the one that you go to your TV or cable provider. How this work? First of all, you have to connect the coax SIM, the first coax SIM, to the other coax SIM. Just remember that these cables have to see each other in the house. What I mean they have to see each other in the house, meaning that is only one cable connected straight through to one point to the other, from one point to the other. Just remember that. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. The TV out is gonna go to your TV in one point, wherever. If you wanna, also watch TV while you are using the the device as data transfer, and the other TV out is gonna be connected to the cable provider. It's very straightforward and very simple. You don't need any configuration to do this. Now, these devices are up and running, and I'm going to show you that actually work, or how they are working. This cable, the Cat5 is connected to this switch, and the other Cat5 is connected to this switch. The yellow one, the yellow cable, is connected to my computer because I'm going to test it and I'm going to show you that works. And the other is connected to my main network because I'm going to use the internet service that I have to show you that the internet that comes from my house is going to work with my computer as well. Let's do the test. Let me put the password. Okay. First of all, let's go to where is the network connection right here. I'm going to show you that the wire is connected, and I'm going to disconnect it just to give you an example that we are going to lose connection. The Wi-Fi is disabled. Okay, now I'm going to plug this back in, and you will see we are going to have connection again. Let's test it. Perfect. Everything works very good actually. Just remember, guys, if you don't want to run a 25 or 50-meter cable in your house, use your coax infrastructure that you already have installed, so you don't have to run a cable and you are gonna have all the mess, that running a cable in your house, through your house actually, takes. Well, guys, if you have any question, please leave your comments, below, and I will answer back as soon as I can. Uh, Thank you so much for watching. See you soon and talk to you later. Bye, guys. Bye bye.